Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken teriyaki at home? Ah, chicken teriyaki, that delectable Japanese dish that has won hearts all over the globe. It's a delightful blend of sweet and savory, with tender chicken pieces glazed in a rich, glossy sauce. Today we're bringing this culinary masterpiece to your kitchen. You'll need boneless chicken thighs, soy sauce, mirin, sugar and ginger. Simple, isn't it? Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we can start cooking. The first step towards our delicious chicken teriyaki is preparing the chicken itself. Start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once that's done, season the chicken generously with salt and pepper. It's essential to season the chicken well because it will help enhance the flavors of our dish. Next, let's move on to the cooking process. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Once it's hot enough, add a touch of oil. We're using oil to prevent the chicken from sticking to the pan and to give it a nice crispy exterior. Now it's time to add the chicken. Cook it until it's browned on all sides. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, the goal here is to brown the chicken, not cook it thoroughly. We don't want to overcook it as it will continue to cook later when we add the teriyaki sauce. With our chicken nicely browned, it's time to make the teriyaki sauce. The secret to a good chicken teriyaki lies in its sauce. Now let's get into the heart of our dish, the teriyaki sauce. 4 key ingredients make up this delightful concoction: soy sauce, mirin, sugar and ginger. The fusion of these ingredients results in a sweet and tangy flavor profile that makes chicken teriyaki so irresistible. Start by combining equal parts of soy sauce and mirin in a pan. A half a cup of each should suffice for 2 chicken breasts. Now, add in a 1/4 cup of sugar. This will bring in the sweet element to our sauce. Lastly, grate a small piece of ginger into the mix. Ginger adds that little zing and warmth, making the sauce even more complex and flavorful. Once you've got all your ingredients in the pan, it's time to bring them together. Set your stove to medium heat and allow the sauce to simmer. The simmering process melds the flavors together and thickens the sauce to a glossy glaze. Now, it's time to introduce our cooked chicken to the sauce. Add your chicken pieces to the pan and let them get well acquainted with the sauce. You'll want to simmer this until your chicken is thoroughly coated and has soaked up all that wonderful flavor. And there you have it, your homemade chicken teriyaki. Simple, isn't it? So, let's quickly go over what we've done. We've prepared and cooked the chicken to perfection, conjured up a delightful teriyaki sauce, and married the two together for a symphony of flavors. We hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious dish as much as we do. Until next time, happy cooking.